This will be a speed test between the ROG Phone 3 versus the OnePlus 8T. Now the ROG Phone 3 has the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. This one has a massive 16 gigs of RAM on Android 10 and its latest version of ROG UI. OnePlus 8T also has the Snapdragon 865 Non-Plus processor, 12 gigs of RAM on Android 11 and its latest version of Oxygen OS. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. ROG Phone 3 versus OnePlus 8T speed test. Woo! That noise on the ROG Phone, very nice. And let's see, ooh, ROG Phone booting up super quick, followed by the OnePlus 8T. And we are in! All right, man, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna do this on both phones. No recent items on both devices. All apps, caches, the browsers have been cleared out. And on a side note, on the ROG Phone 3, I do have X mode turned on, so you can see by that indicator, and also the wallpaper is glowing red. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, I think that was the ROG Phone. Messages. Very close, again, slow down the video for me. The camera. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder. And on a side note, the ROG Phone 3 is slippery AF when holding in my hand. A little bit faster on the left. Let's go ahead and fire up the clock on both phones. Very close. I'm gonna go to the stopwatch. Let this run. In the background, calculator. Very close again. I think that was a draw, but you guys slow down the video for me. Play Store. Ooh, very close again. Wow, can't tell. Click on this. We'll leave it on that page. Amazon. Ooh, very close again. Gonna click on this. We'll leave it there. eBay. Again, very close. Can't tell the difference. Look at that. Dead heat. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Again, so close. Slow down the video for me. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Winter Toyland. Oh, all right. We'll let this run. Give that to the ROG Phone. Tap to play. Subway Surfers. Loading on both. Oh, super fast on the ROG. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on both phones. Ooh, ROG Phone out in front. And we'll give the win to the ROG Phone 3. CSR Racing 2. Let's see what will happen here. Oh. And give that to the ROG Phone. Very nice. Modern Combat, let's go. Gameloft, 20 years. Let's see. Ooh, okay. I think the ROG Phone's out in front here. Let this run. We'll give it to the ROG Phone. We'll tap to continue on both. And we'll just leave it right there. And then we do have PUBG, of course. Tencent Games. Let's find out what happens here. PUBG Corporation. Let's see. Ooh, hearing noise from the ROG first. Loading on both now. Oh! And we'll give the win to the ROG Phone 3. Twitter, ROG Phone, IG, very close, but I think that was a ROG Phone again, Snapchat, Draw, maybe that was the OnePlus, not sure. And we do have Chrome on both phones. Do a real quick search on ROG Phone. Go. What will happen here? See, we'll click on this one. Okay. Interestingly enough, a little bit faster than the OnePlus by a little bit, but you can take this with a grain of salt. That could just be the Wi-Fi. Go through the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. Now, keep in mind, ROG Phone has 16 gigs of RAM. I don't anticipate RAM management to be an issue, but you never know. And also on the side note, on Oxygen OS, I do love how there's a row of icons on the bottom here, so you can go through your apps like that. I love that. But anyway, run through these apps again, and we'll have a look. Any reloads, any stutters, any lag. Go through these real quick. Good to go on the PUBG, of course. The Modern Combat, both good to go on both. Very nice. CSR Racing, and then this one is good to go, I think. Yep, a little bit of lag on the OnePlus though, so take note of that. Not a full reload, but a little bit of lag. Angry Birds is good to go. Subway Surfers, good to go on both. Check that out. And then Temple Run 2. Good to resume on both phones, as you can see. Very nice. Do have Mario Run, Mario Time on both phones. Pretty good. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store, good to go. Woo, super fast. Calculator, good to go. Clock. Camera, we'll go ahead and pick up both phones. A little bit faster on the ROG. Messages, very quick. And finally, the phone app. Super fast on both, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a hardcore gamer and rocking the ROG Phone 3? Do you have the ROG Phone 2 from last year? Do you have the OG ROG Phone? Do you have the Razer Phone or Razer Phone 2? Or are you on Team OnePlus, rocking your OnePlus 8T or OnePlus 8 Pro? Do you have the OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7T? Do you have the OnePlus Nord? Are you looking up OnePlus 9 rumors? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.